Wait, is it? Are we recording?
The guinea pig wants to get eaten by the cat.
He looks like a tiger.
Mm-hmm.
So pretty. That chicken's mad. Does not like it. Get it. What are you doing? Get it.
They keep crawling in and out of there. It drives the cat crazy. I think they figured it out because they're not coming out anymore.
So cute.
Oh, there he's going.
Should I go out there?
Why?
What are you doing, Kitty?
Checking out this guinea pig
I
situation.
don't want him to kill one.
For God's sakes, let her have as many guinea pigs as he wants. Psst. Psst. Psst, psst.
He's smelling. He's observing.
The guinea pig's like, son of a bitch. Coyotes at night, hawks in the afternoon. Now we got cats.
Kitty. He looks get tired.
Mm-hmm. The guinea pig's never gonna leave out of there.
I want that cat so bad.
It's Karen's cat. You can't have that cat. Oh, he's in there checking. Because isn't there some hiding in there?
I can't see.
Hold on.
Hi, Kitty.
Psst.
Please come up here. Is it nice?
No, it's not nice at all. It starts really nice, then it bites you. Karen's got all scratched up from it.
Oh, I don't really care about that. I like playing.
Yeah, it's a fun cat. It's a nice cat.
Our cat doesn't even play anymore.
Yeah, he's done.
We should lock Karen's cat in her garage. Kitty. Hi, baby. You want to come up here? Come on.
He's like, pass.